IEBC rĩu nĩ ĩrĩkĩtie kũrekereria official and final results cia Kiambu Women Rep, iturwa kĩrĩa kĩrarĩ na ahũranĩri atatũ me ngumo mũno arĩa nĩo Mathamîtie, Andû Mũratha na Lois Kim. Na thutha wa gũikara thikũ ithano metereire kũmenya nũũ wahotana, it has now officially been declared and confirmed that Andû Mũratha nĩwe waiyũkia ũhotani ũcio, na nginya nĩ arakorirwo akĩamũkĩra certificate yake ya kuonania indeed she is the winner. And she couldn't hide her joy and excitement as she took to her Facebook page to share the good news akiuga Kiambu Women Rep elect with some thank you emojis, na arũmĩrĩri ake mareyumĩria kũmũcongratulate. Karago Muraya ũmwe wao akiuga, congratulations my friend Honorable Ann Mũratha, Kiambu Women Rep, I'm happy for you. Nake Ann Lawrence arauga, congratulations Honorable Ann Mũratha. Na Mathamîtie thutha wa results icio gũtangathwo, she had this to say, kana ĩno nĩyo ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa arakorirwo akĩrekereria akiuga, Exodus 14 verse 14, Gûtigwo. Na verse ĩno ya Exodus 14:14 yugaga, the Lord will fight for you, you need only be still. Well, Mathamîtie augĩte Gûtigwo areke Ngai amũrũĩrĩre. Lois Kim nake has not yet said anything, but it is now confirmed that Ann Mũratha nĩwe wahotana gĩturwa kĩa Women Rep Kiambu. Hau kabere rumors ikoretwo igĩcirculate different rumors, angĩ makauga nĩ Andû Mũratha wahotana, angĩ makauga aca nĩ Mathamîtie, but now it is confirmed straight from IEBC nĩ Andû Mũratha wakorwo akĩhotana na nginya nĩ ahetwo certificate ya kuonania ũhotani ũcio.
And I have made a promise to the people of Kiambu that I will do my level best, that the Lord may give me the opportunity to be able to give these boys a hope and a voice back for the man to be heard in this county. We have had so many of our boys that are suffering in this county. I want to believe that in the 5 years, the Lord will have helped me with the support of all of you to be able to do this. And I really want to thank God this evening. Thank the Lord, Heavenly Father. Thank all of you. I lack words.
And do not forget, subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.